Hi, I'm Nicki Sizemore here in the Fine Cooking Test Kitchens. Homemade potato chips are far crispier, fresher, and more potato-y than store-bought. They are delicious on their own as a snack, or you can use them as a base for small bites and appetizers. Here I will show you how to fry up perfectly golden, crispy homemade potato chips. First, let's talk potatoes. We prefer to use russet potatoes for potato chips. You want to peel your potatoes and then slice them 1/16 of an inch thick. This is where a mandolin is the perfect tool for the job because you get really consistent, thin slices. Once the potatoes are sliced, pop them into a bowl of ice water. The water is going to help to prevent the potatoes from oxidizing and help to wash away some of those starches. That will give you a crispier potato chip. Okay, so I've drained my potatoes, and here's another little trick. Put the potatoes into a salad spinner and spin them dry. That is going to give you a really dry potato. You don't want any moisture because if you have moisture, they're not going to be quite as crispy. You just roll them up and you can let them sit out at room temperature for up to 2 hours. In the meantime, you want to get your oil preheating. You want to fry potato chips somewhere between 350 and 360 degrees. So we're just going to add a few handfuls at a time. You never want to overcrowd the pot when you're deep frying. Now you can just serve the bowl of chips just like this and be happy. But if you want to, you can dress them up into an appetizer. So I'm going to top each chip with a little bit of fresh ricotta cheese. You could also do things like hummus or creme fraiche. And then over this, we'll put on a few peas. And then I like to finish these with some kind of herb, a little sprig of mint. Here I've got some dill. You could do chives. And this is a beautiful little passed hors d'oeuvre or appetizer for your next party. There you are. For more tips and recipes, go to finecooking.tv.